My name is Mr. Winkle, and I'm gonna look for some kids so I can take them to get so they can give me a hug. Oh man, I sure love me want to find some hot kids. Hello, what are you doing in here? Oh God, you smell bad. No wonder why they got rid of you here. Oh well, oh well, time to look for some kids. After all, some yellow pearl did tell me that there might be some kids here. Do 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 do.